Welcome to the channel. Today we're diving into Boost.Space, an amazing platform that simplifies automation for personal or business tasks. I'll walk you through the process of signing up, customizing your profile, and starting your first automation. By the end of this video, you'll be ready to unleash the full potential of Boost.Space. Let's get started. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Boost.Space and hit enter. In the search results, look for the official website titled Boost.Space and click on it. This will take you to their homepage, where you'll find all the information about their platform and features. Once on the website, locate the login button in the top right corner and click it. On the login page, select the option to sign up with email. You'll be prompted to choose a plan. Boost.Space offers two primary plans: App Flows and Build from Scratch, ideal for creating automation workflows from scratch. Enterprise and White Label, designed for advanced users who need custom branding and enterprise-level tools. For this tutorial, we'll select App Flows and Build from Scratch. Click on the Go to Marketplace button to access Boost.Space's collection of automation tools. Navigate to Browse App Flows. This section contains a variety of pre-built automation templates for different purposes. Use the search bar to find a specific automation that fits your needs or browse through the options. Once you've found an app flow you want to use, click on it and then click Install. If you haven't signed up yet, return to the Sign Up with Email option. Fill in the required details: email address, enter a valid email address, username, create a unique username for your account. Password, choose a secure password. System name, give your Boost.Space environment a unique name. Once done, click on Let's Get Started. Wait for the installation process to complete. This might take a few minutes. When the setup is complete, you'll see a prompt to click Let's Take Off. Click it to proceed. Log in using the email or username and password you just created. The next step involves personalizing your account. Enter the following details: first name and last name. Upload a profile picture to make your account more personal. Choose a role that best describes you, e.g., developer, project manager, etc. Click Continue to save your preferences. You'll now be asked about your goals for using Boost.Space. Provide details such as your primary area of expertise, your experience level with automation tools, the size of your company or team. Click Continue to move forward. If you're working with a team, you can invite them at this stage. Add their email addresses in the Invite Team section. Click Continue to proceed, or skip this step if it's not relevant. Check your email inbox for a verification link from Boost.Space. Follow the instructions in the email to verify your account. Re-enter your email and password when prompted to complete the process. Once verified, you'll land on the Boost.Space home screen. Here's where the magic begins. Navigate to the Tasks section to manage your tasks. Browse the App Flows section to find and install more automations. Open an installed app flow, connect your apps, and configure settings as needed. Once the setup is complete, your automation is ready to go. And that's how easy it is to get started with Boost.Space. From setting up your account to creating your first automation, this platform makes automation accessible to everyone. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more such videos. Thanks for watching and see you next time.